welcome back to the channel. Yes, babyface Zosh is back on the mic. Right now, I'm going to go get the car tuned again. I know it's weird, very impromptu. I didn't even start this video off properly. Ooh, she look good, boy. Me and Randy's headed to the Dyno Hobbies in town, and I gotta clean up my tune. Especially, I gotta basically get a retune anyway. I'm on a smaller exhaust, so I might make less power. This dyno reads off anyway, so we'll see what's going on when we get there. I told Randy to get the other seat, put the passenger seat in, but he said nah.
But you have to go get gas and shit. You gotta make it back.
You think that'd be enough? The tune? Yeah, that should be enough. All right, we out. So we're live at the dyno. Look at Yumi and its new owner. We made some power. You guys can't see it from here, but it made 115. Not bad. Put header, exhaust, intake. That's it. Yeah, it made 115 and 101 torque. Alright, so quick little update. Quick update. I had to take off my VTEC solenoid to give it to a guy so he can tune his car because his took a shit. And good karma always. And I know, like, if I need a solenoid, somebody will hopefully do the same for me. So I lent him my solenoid. He just tuned. And now we're just waiting to the car cool down so I can put it back on my car. Fred's gonna tune first. Hey, you vlogging, bro?
Yeah, I'm vlogging, bro. You vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging, bro.
I feel you,
yeah,
man.
my
yeah,
man.
Vlogging, bro.
Yeah. You ready to tune, bro?
I mean, I guess.
All right.
I'm gonna tune it, put it back in the garage, you know?
I feel you.
Screen, you feel me?
I feel you, bro.
I don't like my shit getting dirty. And I don't really care how nobody feel like it, bro. They can shoot me the face straight up. There, I'm about that life, you heard me?
Damn.
You know, I got that fire on me.
Chill.
I got that thing on me, you heard me?
Chill, bro.
I wish you nigga would, bitch.
Hey, you're scaring the viewers, bro.
One day I go back.
Oh shit! You gotta go left-hand drive again. Here is Saul's LS VTEC on boost. See, it says block built bottom end, built top unit, nice turbo system, job front. That's it. That boy Freddy going Fred. Dog, come on, bruh. Come on, dog.
Told me to do it.
Fred, man. Come on, bruh. Percy Fish is off. Here goes nothing. Woo. film the run, but 240 and 196 torque. So the dyno's breathing properly now. So,
yeah,
so you made 220 and I made 240. Yo! The last pull. Look how smooth the power band is, though. That's what's nice about it. That's some good. $437. Yep, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever monstrosity this was. It was so impromptu, man. Like, I was supposed to film an Evo review of a fellow YouTuber, but fell through. His car started having issues. So then, and Randy was like, "Yo, let's go visit Javi since he's in town, or whatever. Watch the dyno pools of cars." All right, so we forward over there. And then it was. I thought it was gonna be like a crap ton of cars. It wasn't. So I asked Javi, like, "Yo, me and Fred can tune, cause we were supposed to tune today. Today is Friday. We were supposed to tune today, but we tuned yesterday." And it was like I went home to get the Integra. It was like an impromptu vlog. Like this video honestly sucks, in my opinion. But I gotta release it because the car got tuned. That's the main focus of this video. And to all you know-it-alls, like, "Oh, you're gonna lose so much power when you go from a 3-inch to a 2.5-inch." The last time I dynoed my car, I made 244. And I made 241, so 3 horsepower. I lost 3 horsepower from switching my 3-inch exhaust to a 2.5-inch exhaust and adding another resonator on the 2.5-inch exhaust. But you don't lose power with a resonator though. So to all the know-it-alls, Officer Zosh says, suck on that. Pause. So in case any of you guys out there was wondering, you know, if you ever downgraded your 3-inch exhaust to 2.5-inch, would you lose power? I guess it all really depends on a lot of factors. I gained mid-range power. So instead of having high-end power, which I made on the 3-inch exhaust, with a 2.5-inch, I made more mid-range, as my dyno graph would show you, which I don't have, but when I was there, you guys can probably see on the video that I made mid-range power. So that's actually gonna be really good for me, considering the courses that I do now, the road courses I do now are like, you know, not high-end type of tracks or whatever. So, yep. Again, I'm not wearing it, but please cop some merch. Thank you. That would be very, very supportive of 240,000 subscribers. If only 50 people can just find it in their hearts to get some support. I don't care, dog. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. If you did enjoy the video, dislike the video. I don't give a f. I'm out. Peace.